In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Expensify. So, whether you've switched email providers or just want a new address linked to your account, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to log in to your Expensify account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your main hub where you can access all the features and settings for your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side where you'll see a series of options listed in the menu. What you need to do is click on the option labeled Accounts. This will take you to the next section where we can start tailoring your contact details. Now that you're in the Accounts section, you'll need to move over to your Profile tab, which is where all your personal account settings are organized. Once you're in the Profile tab, look for an option that says Contact Method. This is an essential step because your email is considered a primary contact method, and this is where we'll be making the necessary changes. Once you click on Contact Method, a menu will appear on the right side of your screen. This menu displays all the contact accounts associated with your Expensify profile. What you're looking for here is to select the email account you want to designate as your primary email. Selecting your desired email ensures that all communications and updates are sent to the correct address. After you've selected the appropriate email, you'll see an option that says Set as Default. Go ahead and click on that. By setting this email as your default, you're telling Expensify this is the main way you prefer to be contacted. It sounds simple, but this crucial step is what aligns your preferences with how the system reaches out to you. Once you've set your default email, it's always a good idea to double-check your work. Navigate back to the Profile section, where you'll select the Contact Method again to ensure that everything is updated and reflects your changes accurately. A quick review never hurts and provides peace of mind knowing everything is set up just the way you want. Finally, give that last detail a click to view and confirm the changes you have made. You should now see your preferred email listed as the default contact method, and there you have it. You've successfully changed your email address in Expensify. With these steps complete, everything should now be up to date, allowing you to get back to managing your expenses without any hiccups. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.